Good morning, dear children. Today we will complete activity part as we promised yesterday that tomorrow we will complete activity part. So now we are presenting activity page number 20. Activity is given. A, write T for true statement and F for false statement. And so many sentences were given 1 to 6 as here. Next to B, circle O the odd one in each of given groups. So we will complete first A and then B. Write T for true statement. A is here. Write T for true statement. True. True statement. Statements and F for false statements. And F for false statement. There are 6 statements given here. You will complete one by one. First is given here. Apple is a fruit. Write down. Apple is a fruit. If it is true, then we would mark here true. If it is false, then we will put here false mark. That means we indicate true by T character and false statement source for F. Second statement is given here. House is a word. First is already completed. Apple is a fruit. You know that apple is a fruit. It is a true statement. You will put here T. You will write here T because in a statement or reason mentioned that write T for true statements against here is given F. Okay. Next sentence. Look your book. Second statement. Housefly is a bird. Housefly is a word. House fly is a word. You know, bird is another thing. Fly is F. Why? Because fly is an insect and it is not a word. So we put here F. Have you understand why we put here F? Because fly, house fly is an insect. In sentence it is written here, house flies word is wrong. So we will put here F. Okay, next please. Hockey is an indoor game. First we write hockey is an indoor game. Indoor game. Hockey is an indoor game. We have already read in our indoor game and outdoor game lesson study that hockey is outdoor game. But in your sentence is given hockey is indoor game. If is it true, then we will write it in box. In given box, we will put here T. If it is wrong, then we will put here F. It is also mentioned in your question. So, hockey is an indoor game. You know that hockey is also played in a big field. We can't play in our house or home. We read it study. So hockey is an outdoor games. Hockey is an outdoor games. Even then it is written here indoor games. So it is totally wrong. We would write here F. We see. Next fourth sentence. Butterfly is an insect. Butterfly is an insect. Your sentence is given here. Butterfly is an insect, and we have read it already studied. In the part of insects, butterfly also is an insect, and so many insects also read on that part. So butterfly is an insect is true. We will put here T. Okay. Next one. Boxing is an outdoor games. Boxing is an outdoor games. It is also true. You will write here T. Why? Because we have read studied boxing is an outdoor games. We have read so many games: football, volleyball, boxing, hockey, cricket. It's all games. Is known as outdoor games. So only boxing is given here, and we will put here T against this sentence. Okay. Next is pumpkin is a vegetable. Pumpkin is vegetable. We have D in vegetable parts. Lesson in vegetables. That all vegetables and those vegetables pumpkin also we found here. So pumpkin is a vegetable. Pumpkin is a vegetable. We put here T because it is true. So there are 6 sentences given here. So we write those sentences in blank notes also. You can read it one by one, 1 to 6. First is given there, and you will see here. Okay. First is given apple is a fruit. We will put here T because apple is a fruit. Next sentence is given house fly is word. We will put here F because house fly is not a word but it is an insect. It is an insect. Okay. Next three hockey is an indoor games. Absolutely right. Wrong. It is not right but wrong. Why? Because hockey we play out of door. So it is outdoor games. We will put here F. Hockey is an outdoor games and indoor games written here. So it is false. We will put here F. Okay. Next four butterflies and insect. We will put here T. Next five boxing is an outdoor games. We have read it already. In outdoor games, we will put here T. Next pumpkin is also vegetables. It is also eat in vegetable parts. So this is true also. These sentences you have declared by your lesson and it is also given in your lesson. Next, we are in B. A is completed. A portion is completed of activity. Next is B. In B is given circle code on each of the given groups. Look your lesson and just there are so many pictures given your lesson. First series of look here odd one in each of given groups. Almira, iron, television, Next, we will round here. Tab. Next, second row, we will round here because it is a word and it's all insects. There are first 1, 3, 4. 2 is not electric equipments. We will put here round. Second, third. In second, third number is a word, and first two, first 1, 2, and 4 are insects. Series third, we find different games here. We will put here round in football here. Why? Because it is outdoor games, and 3 which is given here. These games also known as indoor games. We will round here on football. Okay. Next, in 4 series, video game here. Bag, book, pen. We can round here video games. Why? Because book, box, and pen, book, bag, and pen related to each other. It is a different word. We will round here. Okay. Have you understand well? Now your activity part is totally completed. We can write both words and these sentences are given. First is true, second is F, third is F also, fourth is true, fifth is also true, and sixth is also true. So you can write in your notebook and learn it clearly. Thank you.